Today, I would like to talk to you about feelings of rejection. As a Christian, how do we handle these times when we feel like we have been rejected, that our whatever it is that we really wanted to happen for some reason did not happen? We doubt ourselves. We think something is wrong with us. Recently, I went through a experience like this, and no matter how much I know better, I still have those gut-wrenching feelings of what's wrong with me? When the truth is, there's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with me. The situation was not God's will. God sees the big picture. We can only see this much. So whatever it is, we need to take a deep breath. We need to realize and remember that God is in control. So Christ-centered yoga is a wonderful way we can work through these kinds of feelings. Not only is it wonderful for our physical bodies, for our flexibility and our strength, but our emotions, which are part of our bodies as well, our minds, can help us work through these painful feelings and understand, really understand, that God is in control. So please check out the video here that I have made to help you work through any feelings you may be having of rejection or disappointment, because it will make you feel better. Christ-centered yoga, because it is Christ who is the one who is making you feel better. Just we need to know what His will for us is. And focusing in, praying, studying His Word, and moving our bodies at the same time is the best way I know how to do that. So thank you for listening, and please give it a try.